Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Fusion 360 and immediately switching to the sheet metal workspace so tools match the workflow. Once the part is loaded, verify units and the active component because thickness depends on those settings. Next, select the body or component you want to change and open Modify, then change Sheet Metal Rule. This targets the existing sheet metal rule. Make sure the correct rule is selected, so the first actionable change affects bend calculations and flat patterns properly. Now edit the sheet metal rule itself. Change thickness to the desired value and confirm bend radius and K-factor match manufacturing needs. If the stock rules do not fit, create a custom rule and name it clearly, then apply that rule to the selected body or component. Once applied, regenerate the flat pattern and inspect bend lines and cut edges. This step ensures inside and outside dimensions update correctly and shows you whether the new thickness introduces interference or requires edge relief adjustments. Finish by updating any downstream features that changed with thickness. Flanges may need repositioning, hems could bind, and hole sizes or locations may require adjustment. Use inspect tools like interference and measure to validate clearances and wall fits. Once done, save a version or export the flat pattern for CAM. If things go wrong, parts failing to unfold or overlapping, revert to the previous rule, tweak the K-factor or bend reliefs, and recreate the problematic features. That fixes most sheet metal thickness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.